everybody, my name is Aaron. Today I want to talk about projectors. Now, what exactly is a projector? A projector, yeah, is a light, and say that if I want to draw a picture, it will appear on a piece of paper as in floating lights. It is actually very, very, very cool. I think you can actually make one, or you can buy ones. Others are cheap, while others are like super expensive, like 9,000 or something crazy like that. Some of them are super expensive, some of them are like really cheap, like £99, I think. I kind of think up to 14, but they probably, I think you kind of just quality in them to make them look. So I used to have a projector, yeah. Make them little see-through, so you can see a little through it, yeah. Very, very, very fun. So purposely I loved projectors, and very, very cool. So I had the projector when I was about shooting like white light. You can just always slide if you want to see through it, a magnifying glass, a mirror, and inside it's like a reflective thingy, yeah, like dyslexic. Although if it's not dyslexic, yeah, like reflective, it will look reflective, like when you're looking into a little piece of paper. So you have to look into little projective thingy. Very cool, actually. So hopefully you guys enjoyed this video. I could leave a link in the description to a projector, yeah, you know what projector is now. And you know, of course, if you've not been to school, then you'll never know what projectors, because schools literally have them anywhere on a white thingy, and they shoot that light. They have them anywhere. Schools do have these projectors. So, hopefully you guys enjoyed this video, and I will also, just forgot to mention that they shake. The screen shakes. I think you can adjust it for a little tap it, and then once you turn your little phone on, you will automatically turn your projector very lit up. Ha 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 ha.